And these big animals are strutting their stuff as they head to the scales for the weigh-ins.
We'd like to welcome you to the 2019 Iowa State Fair Big Ram Contest. We've got 7 entries in this year. We're going to take them over to the scale, weigh them up, and we'll see what we come up with here. All right, first ram is Reber Schrops with a 4-year-old ram. It weighs 452 pounds. The fall-born Columbia ram weighs 217 pounds. There's a Lincoln ram from CeeLo Farm. It weighs 333 pounds. Next we have a Columbia representation from Dewdrop Farms. Weighs 254 pounds. He weighs 301 pounds. The winner of the Iowa State Fair Big Ram Contest this year is the Reber Schrops entry of a Shropshire ram weighing 452 pounds. His breed is usually larger seat, larger than like the Cheviots or some of the others. He's an older ram. He's got a lot of structure to him. He's a taller, longer ram at this time. And probably his age helped him as much as anything in this contest.
I think a lot of it was just breeding, and he never shies away from eating. He's always been a good eater. That helps a lot. Don't shy away from the feed scoop.
2019 World's Largest Boar Contest. His name is Low Cash. He's a crossbred boar about 3.5 years old. He's been eating finisher pig feed and sweet corn and table scraps. And his official weight is
1,042 pounds. 1,042 pounds.
Thank you. This entry is named Slim. He eats 25 pounds a day, 5 pounds of dog food on top of that. He likes to drink Busch Light, and the answer is
1,170 pounds.
His name is Spoiled Rotten. He's 6 years old. He eats corn and soybeans.
1,110 pounds.
His name is Captain. He's a crossbred, 3.5 years old. Eats 22 to 25 pounds of corn and soybeans.
1,254 pounds.
Well, when we have these animals, you can put weight on a pig 3 different ways. Make them longer, deeper, and wider.
Yeah, they call captains. He likes to partake in the guilty pleasures of what a captain would, so he loves his Captain Crunch, and he likes little Captain Morgan, maybe because I like Captain Morgan. Yeah.
Dom weighs 2,624 pounds. $2,386 pounds. $2,710 pounds.